In this video, I thought it would be fun to play a little bit of a game. I'm going to put people's pictures on the screen who've been analyzed throughout the years, whether it be in person or online, and sort of do a pause for you to process what you think their palette may be, and then I'll put on the screen what their palette ended up being. Stay tuned.
You don't have to hurry.
Hurry, you don't have to, you know, say that's
Take your time.
Front and your back to
Stay a while.
nothing can stop you.
And you don't have to worry.
I said,
Everything will work out fine.
no doubt.
Stay a while.
Hey everyone, I'm having a party at home, and that's what I'm calling it now these days, and I hope you're having a party at home as well. I hope you, your friends and family are doing well. I'm looking at this as a time to sort of reflect, regroup, and sort of, embrace the contrast that I'm experiencing and see what I want to sort of focus on next. And I think the world is going to be definitely changing after what we're going through right now. And I'm sort of now embracing it and seeing, law of attraction wise, what I can produce more of. And so it'll be, to me, I think it's going to be fun and exciting to see what I can produce next. So I'm just about to head on to my live stream on my Patreon page. If you haven't visited that page, that link is below. That page started up, I'm going to say late March. And it's really evolved and it's so fun. I'm having so much fun with that page. People are sending in their eye pattern photos now, and I'm taking a peek at those and giving my hypothesis on what their color analysis results may be. You can have a virtual color analysis video post done on there. So if you haven't checked it out, please do so. It's so much fun and adds sort of a light to my everyday. And because I love connecting with all of you, and the fact that I can't see in-person color analysis clients right now, this page sort of fills that gap for me in terms of having conversations with my clients and having general conversations about color analysis, which I love to do because that's my passion. So as said in the opening, I thought it would be fun in this video to share with you some pictures of people who've been analyzed through the years, who I have permission to use their photos for. And they've been analyzed either in person or virtually, and sort of play a game to have you guess what their palette ended up being, and then I'll put on the screen what their palette actually was after they went through the process. It really will sort of show you potentially that colored hair can really skew somebody's color analysis results, particularly if it's in, definitely if it's in the wrong color family for the person, and what have you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Be well, be safe, have a lovely day.
Oh yes, it's King Ujah alongside Father Fergus. No baby, don't you worry, everything cook and curry. I said,
You don't have to hurry.
hurry, you don't have to, you know, say that's
Take your time.
Front and your back to
Stay a while.
nothing can stop you.
And you don't have to worry.
I said,
Everything will work out fine.
no doubt.
Stay a while. Someday, when you're tired of running and a friend just can't be found,
I'll be there.
you'll find somebody is waiting when you come around. Yeah. But you don't have to hurry.
Hurry, you don't have to, you know, say that's
Take your time.
Front and your back to
Stay a while.
nothing can stop you.
And you don't have to worry. Everything will work out fine.
No doubt.
Stay a while.
Hear me out, you know. You don't have to worry, you don't have to fret. Everything what you want, baby girl, you want go get. If you want a nice home, it you want go get. If you want to go to Rome, it you want go get. The love in my heart, it you want go get. Ain't no sweat, everything composite. Already anytime, at your request, to abolish all your troubles and stress. Bless.
Someday, when you're tired of running and a friend just can't be found,
I'll be there.
you'll find somebody